Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, welcome back to my video. So today in this question, I would like to share to you guys about an EIGRP filtering prefix list out. So in the previous video, we have learned about GRP filtering prefix list in, right? So in this solution, we are make it out. So we make it the derival. So without any further ado, let's continue. So if you want to follow this video, you have to watch the previous video first, or I will put the title EIGRP filtering prefix links in, because I don't want to configure it again from the early. But as we can see here, do show IP root. This already get filtering. So I want to remove filtering is in filter 2. Offset router GRP10. No distribute list. No distribute list. Prefix in no in just wait for a second because it takes time for to turning it off. Let's see if it's already or not. Okay, I think it's already out to our normal condition where we don't have any filter. So let's make it in in out. So I want to make it in filter 3 because I want to get the impact filter 2 and filter 3. Once then IP prefix list GRP, or then check the deny permit deny 33. It just looks same like before, but we have some difference where we only need the 32 and /27 prefix, right? So we'll change this permit and we have 20 permits, then so if it's done, just make it input to router GRP10, distribute list prefix GRP out. Wait a second until the process is done, because it takes time. So what's the sign that if our config or our filter is already set up? As you can see here, there's this notification letter like before. As we can see, we only have 3 loopback gain. And how about in router 2? Show IP root. Yes, we are same. We only has 2 loopbacks from router 3. So it means our filtering is success. So I think that's all for me that I can show to you guys. Sorry if I have so many mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.